Hey you, and welcome. My name is Dan. In this whole video we're going to talk about the Sentry cams, or the cameras which are found on Teslas. As you see here, my little puppies have joined. So there's Chad. And there's Ushi. Ushi. Good. So they're being good sports to show themselves there on the camera today. There you go. So they get a little beef snack there. So now on the cameras there, so if you take your Tesla and you look at it, there are cameras here in the front which look like this. And then there's cameras right here, as you can see here. And there's a camera right here on the B pillar. And if you look right at the license plate, there's a camera right next to the license plate. And then on the other side you have the same cameras, just in reverse order. So these cameras are really good for recording accidents and stuff like that. So, and they're recording all of the time. That's a lot of things that many people don't even know, that these cameras are always recording. Now when you have it parked in your garage, it doesn't record. And there's a setting in your phone or in the car where you can actually have it where it doesn't record just all the time in your garage. You can turn it on though, even then. But let's just say that you're parking along the street or in the parking lot. It's recording while you are away from the car. And it knows its location too. So that's why it records it when you're at a supermarket, and it doesn't record while it's in the garage. And just to show you just the quality of the cameras. Before I go though, there is a camera on the inside, as you see here. It's found just above the rear view mirror. Now they say that camera does not send any information to the network. It's only used internally and used for accidents, like, was the driver asleep, was the driver, DUI or something like that. Then they can use that information there. But like they said, they say that information is not sent to the network, or so they say. So let's take a look and see what the cameras can actually record while you're driving. And here's another example of what it sees when we're driving through the local foothills. Hey, if you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up, share the video, and comment down below, because guess what? I do read all of your comments. And if you have a question or you have an idea for a video, just leave it down there in the comment section, and I will make sure I either answer the question or I'll even make a video for you based on your questions too, or your topic. And I really appreciate all the support that everyone gives by sharing the video or videos on their social media. And so thank you very much for that, and you all have a very good day. Bye bye.